Dear participant, welcome to the B2B Online Meeting Center of IETF 2013 powered by myCII.in, CII's online business resource center. On signing up for the B2B Online Meeting Center, you will receive your URL, user ID and password from business@mycii.in to your registered email ID. In case you have forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password link, following which an automated email will be sent to your registered email ID. Please note, your user ID will always remain as your registered email ID. Once you have signed up, to change your password, please click on the Change Password tab available on the left-hand corner of the website. To edit and update your profile, click on the My Profile tab, which is available on the left corner of the page. This now opens into a window requesting for your details. Please note, your completed profile could be important for other participants to schedule and accept your meeting requests. Please upload your photo as per the specifications requested. The field requesting objective of your participation in IETF 2013 is very important. On the home page, you can view the following tabs: List of all IETF 2013 participants, Search participants, Shortlisted participants, My schedule, Set meeting objectives, Change your visibility, and Edit profile. To schedule meetings, click on the Search Participants tab. On the Search Participants tab, you may now search for participants as per name, organization, sector, country, and shortlisted participants. As you can see, the list of participants appear with complete details for your reference. In case you are unsure of who to send a meeting request to, you may browse through the whole list of participants and shortlist for future reference. To schedule a meeting with a participant, you may click on the Meeting Request option, which is available below the participant's details. Here, you can select a date and type in your meeting agenda. Following this, an email will be sent to the participant on which they may accept, reschedule, or reject your meeting request. After you have sent meeting requests to a few participants, you may now view your entire schedule by clicking on the My Schedule tab available on the home page. This will open into your schedule and your agenda for the entire event, and you may also download a copy of your schedule by clicking on the link provided. On the home page, you will also find a table listing your meeting statuses. You may click on each tab for further details. The Scheduled Meetings tab shows you your requested meetings that are now accepted by other participants. You may either cancel or reschedule this to another date. Your Pending Meeting Requests tab shows you your meeting requests that are yet to be accepted, rejected, or rescheduled by the other participant. You may now either cancel or reschedule these meetings. The Cancelled Meeting tab shows you your meeting requests rejected by other participants, and also meetings that are cancelled by you. On the home page, you will find a Project Proposals tab which gives you the access to upload your product or project in advance for interested participants and exhibitors to contact you for meetings. This shows you a list of all projects added so far in searchable format. You may also browse through the other proposals available, which will show you complete details that you require. To add a proposal, click on the Add Project Proposal, which opens into a page for you to add title, brief description, sectors of interest, and you may also attach any relevant files. If you do not want to receive requests from other participants, you may change your profile visibility by clicking on the Change Visibility tab available.